Hello everyone, good evening. First of all, introducing myself. My name is Rahul Samanthi. I have completed BCS from Solapur University, and today's topic is object to string methods, Java. Okay, and today's date is 16 July 2021. Then we- today's topic is object to string method in Java. Then let's start this topic. Every class in Java to child of object class either directly, indirectly. Object class is the content to string methods. We can use the string method to uh, object reference to directly internally to string method in object. We if we didn't did not define to string method in your class, then object class to string methods invoke the otherwise in implement the overriding to string. Okay, then start the syntax of the object class to string. Then public string to string. Return the method to dot get name plus integer to hex string hash code. Then this will be syntax of the object of the methods. Then simple example of the method. Okay, number of methods in this. Then first is the caret. Caret is the return the character at the specific index. Then return the character number. Next one is the code point at. The return the unique code of the character at the specific index. Then return will be the int int number. Then next one is the compare to method. Compared to string lexicography, the return is the integer number. The next one is the compare to ignore case. Then this method will be the compare to string lexicography ignore to the case different. Then return will be the integer number. Then next one is the concat. The concat is a append the two string to the end of the another string. This will be the return the string. Then next one is the contains. In contains method, it will be the check the whether the string is contains sequence of character. This will be written the boolean. Next one is the copy value of the method. This will method will be the return a string the represent the character of the character array, and this will be written the string. Then next one method is the end with. End with method is the check the whether a string end with the specified character is the then this will be written the boolean. Next one method is the equal. Equal method is the compare two string return true if the string are equal and false or not. This will be the return is a boolean. Next one method is the equal ignore case. This will method is a compare to string. Ignore case is a consideration. This will be written the boolean. Next one is the format. Format will be the return the formatted string using the specified locality formatting string argument. This will be written the string. Next one method is the get bytes. This will method encode the string into the sequence of the byte using the name character storing the result into a new byte array. This will be written the byte array. Next one is the index of. This method will be the return the position of the first found the occurrence specified character of a string. This will be written the integer number. Then a length method. Length method return to the length of specified string. This will be the return with the integer number. Then next one method is a replace. Replace method is a searching the string for the specified value and return the new string where the specified value are replaced. This will be written the string. Then next one is the replace all. Replace all is a replace each substring of the string that that means the return given the regular expression of with the given replacement. This will be written the string. Then next one is the split method. Split method is the split the string into the array substring. This will be written the string array. Then next one is the start with. Start with method check the whether string start with the specified character. This will be the return boolean character. Then next one is the to lowercase. This method will be the convert the string is lowercase letter, and this will be written the string. Then next one is the to string. To string will be the return the value of string object. This will be written the string. Then next one is the string. String will be the remove the without white space from the both end of the string. This will be the return string. Then number of methods in the string. It will be the using the this one. So that's all about the. Thank you. Thank you.